Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make frozen sorbet. First, select your favorite ripe fruit like berries or mango. You'll need about 2 cups of prepared fruit. Next, gather your sugar and water to create a simple syrup, which is key for a smooth texture. Don't forget a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It really enhances the fruit's natural sweetness and prevents crystallization. Begin by thoroughly washing and chopping your fruit into smaller pieces. Now, let's make that simple syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's crucial to let this syrup cool down to room temperature before mixing it with your fruit. Once your syrup is cool, combine the chopped fruit, the cooled simple syrup, and about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth. For an extra silky sorbet, you can strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Then, chill this base in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before churning it in your ice cream maker. After churning, your sorbet will be soft-serve consistency. Carefully transfer it into an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness. When you're ready to enjoy, simply scoop and serve. For a beautiful presentation, consider garnishing with a sprig of fresh mint or a few extra pieces of fruit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.